I'm here in Chino Valley, Arizona. I'm at Liquid Creations. Just met with Chris. And this thing's stout. Unbelievable. The workmanship that he does. The welds. Buy air in the house. I want to thank those guys for sponsoring the car club. Really special. MTX, we're working on doing all the kicker panels and everything. Just really cool. Bert, thank you for all the motors and transmission stuff. John with J&S Gears, thank you for the rear end. You know, you guys are making this happen. This fire truck's going to be special. We're going to take it all over the place and get the kids in it and take them for a ride. And Chris is going to set it down now on the frame for us. And you can see kind of what we're doing here. And it just looks dynamite. His measurements were perfect. We didn't have to move the firewall or anything. The diesel fit perfect. Amazing job. And you guys are going to see what this thing looks like lowered on the ground. Working on everything. It's just really special. It's going to look really good. Here's our rims. Thanks, Bruce, for the fire extinguisher. We're going to put that up. We'll use that for the gas tank. And just really cool. Here it is, sitting on the frame. Everything fits. We're going to do some more special stuff. We get new glass for it. Chris is coming along. We're going to have this thing ready for Sema. It's going to be special. We decided today we're not going to clear it. We're going to ceramic coat it only. And we're not going to paint any logos or anything on it for Sema. We're going to leave it alone for now. Just leave it and pay homage to the Red Oak Fire Department and what this thing means. It was in the line of service. We're going to take this thing out for the kids. We're going to put the kids in this thing. We're going to take it to the schools. We're going to represent all our sponsors. MTX gave us a PA system so we can go and have them get on it and just do what's right. And you know what I'm about ready to say. I'm super, super excited. But I'm going to send us off with this American La France right here, baby. Surf City Classics in the house. 52 wins this year. Get you some of this.